This video shows you how to request a book you found on WorldCat. At WorldCat website, you can do a search to find a specific library. Search for University of Missouri and click on University of Missouri, Columbia. Here, you can see a list of books added by the University of Missouri libraries to WorldCat. To request a book that is in the University of Missouri libraries through interlibrary loan, click on the title of the book you want. Click on Request through ILL at MU. The system will automatically fill in the information for you. You can add more information as necessary. Scroll down to the bottom of the page and click on Submit Request. To request a book you found that is not located in the University of Missouri libraries, click on the title of the book and go through the same process to request it through ILL at MU. Scroll down to the bottom of the page and click on Submit Request. You will be notified by email when the book arrives. You can pick up the book at Ellis Circulation by the north door of Ellis Library. There is no charge for this service. Thanks for watching.